record, I don't just go for the medals, bro. Niggas used to know that we stronger than the devil, bro. Since I buried Papa in the village with the shovel, bro. Every move is bold, ain't no time for being subtle, bro. In the face of evil, I can find the needle haystack. Could've freed my people if this weed was legal way back. Popo spun the wheel of misfortune, but I ain't play that. They come round and pat us down, but I ain't say jack.
Kush cloud all in my head. Woke in the morning with a hoe I didn't know in my bed. Walked to the mirror, saw my eyes bloody red. That's the evil I said, but I shouldn't really feel that. Instead, block out the feedback. Yeah, we don't need that. I'ma show you where the fucking drinks and the weed at. When the beat bangs, this shit gon' blow your weave back. You gon' have to run this shit back for a recap. Yeah, I'm right back here to recap. Pick up on your bitch ass, I'm doing it quick fast. Sorry for the mishap, I just fast. I'm liable to break a bitch off like a tic tac.
Fresh talk to him.
The weed mad loud, man, you might need a gas mask. Bitches in the bathroom cutting lines like a fast pass. Pass that to couple cats, a little pissy drug pass. That's me and Fresh with a drink in our cup. Yeah, all I ever wanted to do was hit the blunt, cause I couldn't see it fucking me up.